We are continuing with our Arabic here, and now we are asking about Jadda. Jaddun is grandfather. Jaddatun is grandmother. Now you ask, Aina Jaddatuki? Where is your grandmother? Jaddati tasunnu sikina. My grandmother is sharpening the knife. Is sharpening the knife. Limada tasunnu sikina? Why is she sharpening the knife? Litakshura bihi al-fakiha. Litakshura bihi al-fakiha. Litakshura bihi al-fakiha. She is sharpening the knife so that she can peel with it. Al-fakiha is a fruit. So that she is sharpening the knife so that she can peel with it fruit, a fruit. Manishtara al-fakiha. Manishtara al-fakiha. Who bought the fruit? Istaraha abi fi sabah. My dad is the one who bought it in the morning. Istaraha abi fi sabah. Ishtaraha abi fi sabah. My dad bought it in the morning. Thank you very much.